I believe that all of us are salespeople at the end of the day. We are always selling ideas, concepts, whether it's in the family environment or whether it's in our professional environment. We have to sell our ideas, our thought processes. So the selling skill is not restricted to only the salesperson in the organization. We all need to have that basic skills of selling. Now, I started my career as a salesperson in the traditional world. This is the pre-internet world where I had to carry a briefcase of brochures, knock at the doors of every enterprise, pass the security person, the receptionist, and a manager to go and access a decision maker. It was a huge amount of desk research I had to do without the power of internet, and call people and build those relationships and networks and convince that I am the right person whom my customer has to buy from. Now switch to the digital world. We live in a digital world. We believe that, or at least some of us believe, that everything can be done from the back of a computer using internet, using emails, using research and social media. While those are important aspects for us to prepare ourselves better, the power of relationships and networking still exists. And we need to reach out either through a phone call or a physical meeting or a dinner or a lunch and meet people and understand and empathize with them and build those relationships. And I also believe that while salespeople need to be good at relationship management and networking, what really differentiates us as salespeople is our ability to challenge our customers on the pain point that we are serving. I call it the challenger salesperson. A challenger salesperson is the ability to interact with the customer and challenge on aspects, not in an aggressive manner, but in an assertive manner. So whether a traditional salesperson or a digital salesperson in the digital world, build your relationship and networking skills and prepare yourself so well that you're able to differentiate in a conversation. Remember, the customer has reached out to you, not just to buy from you, but also to learn from you, because I would be selling these solutions to thousands of clients. And my customer wants to know what are the challenges that some of these thousands of clients are experiencing, and that energy and that information he would expect from me.